Hey guys, in today's video we will discuss how to add money to your Revolut account. Watch this video until the end to learn how to do this and more. To add money by using your debit or credit card, visit Revolut.com, log into your account, and select Home next. Tap Add Money and select the currency, top-up method, and amount. Enter your card details if not already saved and click Add Money securely to complete the transaction. To add money through a bank transfer, visit Revolut.com, log in, click Home, and under your balance options, click Accounts, select your account or choose Add New for a new bank transfer account. Lastly, click Details and then Share to finish the transfer. To add money using your Google Pay or Apple Pay account, log into Revolut.com, click Home, select Accounts, choose an account or click Add New next. Click Add More Money and enter the amount you want to add. Under the deposit method, select Others and choose Apple or Google Pay. Click Pay and choose your preferred card. So there you have it. Follow these steps to add money to your Revolut account. Thanks for watching.